味噌ラーメンを2つください。Hey guys, how's it going? It's Shintaro. Welcome to my channel. はい、皆さんこんにちは、慎太郎です。元気ですか？ In today's video, we're gonna learn Japanese counter つ。It's really useful counter. Anyway, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Okay, so Japanese counter つ。It can be used to count almost anything in Japanese, like things which has a shape or things which doesn't have a shape, like abstract things, and also number of orders, thoughts, ideas, pretty much everything else. So it is really adaptable and helpful counter for something. Alright, how to pronounce for counting with つ。1, it is 1. With つ, it's gonna be 一つ。一つ。2, it is 2. With つ, it's gonna be 二つ。二つ。3, it is 3. With つ, it's gonna be 三つ。三つ。4, it is 4. With つ, it's gonna be 四つ。四つ。5, it is 5. With つ, it's gonna be 五つ。五つ。6, it is 6. With つ, it's gonna be 6つ。6つ。7, it is 7. With つ, it's gonna be 7つ。7つ。8, it is 8. With つ, it's gonna be 8つ。8つ。9, it is 9. With つ, it's gonna be 9つ。9つ。So here's the thing. Japanese counter つ, it is very useful, but it can only be used for 1 to 9. For more than 10, you can use こ to count. こ. It is similar in use to つ. I prepared some example sentences. Let's practice together. Well, when you go to the ramen place, when you order something, like, can I have a 2 miso ramen? 味噌ラーメンを2つください。味噌ラーメンを2つください。Noun plus を plus ください。Meaning is, please give me something. Next, so つ it can count abstract things like idea. For example, I came up with a good idea. いい考えを一つ思いついた。いい考えを一つ思いついた。Last one, you can use つ count for age. For example, he is 3 years younger than me. 彼は私より3つ若い。彼は私より3つ若い。Well, you can make a question using つ。For example, how many are left? いくつ余っていますか？いくつ余っていますか？ So, how many in Japanese is gonna be いくつ Well, you can ask the age with using つ Like, how old are you? おいくつですか？おいくつですか？ So, you just put お before いくつ。おいくつですか？ How old are you? That will be it. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Well, if you like to learn Japanese language and culture more, please check out my website. I put the link in the description. I hope this video is helpful learning Japanese. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you next time. またね。